In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L3118 and L3119 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Okay, before you download and using the resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable your antivirus for a while, including Windows real-time protection and the tamper protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. This is to prevent antivirus false detection about the resetter. After you download the antivirus for a while, you can download the resetter, the link on comments. After you download the file, you can just right-click on the file and select Extract All. Click Extract button here. After that, you can open the resetter folder and run the adjustment programs. But for the first time use, you need to password they already include in here. You can see the password on the .txt file here. Then you can open the adjustment program. After the adjustment program is open, you can click select button and select model name. For example, I will choose L3118 printer in here and click OK. The next step, select particular adjustment mode button here and choose was impact counter and click OK. Don't forget to tick main pad counter option and the flatten pad counter. After that, you can click check button. Then you can click initialize button. Okay, if the resetting process is successfully, you can click finish and you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. If you encounter error when resetting process, you can try to moving USB printer into another port available on your computer. Okay, then you can try to repeat the resetting process. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson L3118 and L3119 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any question, you can fill in the form comment. And thanks for watching.